So today we are going to draw Queen.
Queen.
Yeah, Queen. Wow. Queen is so pretty and beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's the first letter of Queen?
Q.
Q. Good. So Q is for Queen. Alright, so hold your pencil. Let's start.
I got my pencil.
Yeah, good. So at the top here. Somewhere at the top here.
Here is my
Yeah, from the top here. So just see what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw some like a curve like this.
Can I try now?
Yeah, do that. It's okay. And also come here and another one like this. Good. Then just bring it down like this. Down a bit, it's okay. And this one, bring it to the same level as this one. Good. Alright, so let's draw the crown of the Queen. Make a shape like this. Okay, and also another one like this. Okay. And then from here
It's a bit backward.
is a bit
Can I
backward.
clean it?
Yeah, you can clean it. That's okay. Okay, so you have to raise it up a bit. You see, that is on went up. It's okay. Just raise it up before you curve it. Good. And this one as well. Maybe from somewhere here. Also draw it and raise it up a bit. Good. Then make a point at this. Make a circle here at the tip and another circle here. Good. And make a circle at the top here.
I don't know the view.
Yeah, do that. Good. Make a circle somewhere at the top here. Go up at the middle. Good. Then from here, come down here like this.
Come down here like this.
A bit. Yes, from this one as well. Come down still a bit.
So a bit.
Good. Oh, you need to clean this one.
Why?
Or you can leave it. You can leave it as part of. This is going to be the crown like this, and then this one going to join. So join. Make another crown here. So where you have to put this 0, put the O on that one. So you need to clean this one. Alright, that's good. That's fine. It's okay like that. So now you join this line to this place, and also this one you join. Okay, that's fine. So that's the crown. Let's also make some like this at the middle here, and also join it like this at the bottom. Good. And also another one here. Make another one here and join it the same way. Smaller one. Yeah, and do the same on the other side. Good. Awesome. Alright. So from here, see, from somewhere here, just make a point here. At the middle here, just somewhere here. Good. Then from that point, you just curve a line like this. Watch and see. Curve a line and curve it like this. From the point, see where you made a point. From your point. Good. Okay. And then from here, you draw the face of the Queen to join here. Good. That's awesome. Then let's make a round circle here.
And eyes?
For the eyes, yes. Don't make it so big, but just good. Yeah, that's good enough. Awesome. Alright. So later we're going to make the eye dark. Okay, but for now, let's leave it like this. Then just make a smiley mouth like this.
But I saw do this and this.
Just make a smiling mouth. It's okay. That's okay. Yeah. Then let's put a line for the earring and make it round. Yeah, and another one here.
I want to clean this.
Yeah.
Is it okay now?
It's okay. Then from here, make another line here. Draw another line down for the second earring of the other ear and the other ear. Good. Then let's add the neck of the queen. Add the neck here. Draw two lines like this coming down. Good. Awesome. Then let's make a hand. Let's draw a shoulder first. Going off like this. And another one going off like this. That's good. Good. That's awesome. Then let's stretch out this a little bit more. The other hand. It's okay, not too long. Then this is the hand. Let's draw another one coming off like this. Good. Let's also come here and do the same here. Make this one go down.
Is it enough?
Yeah, and also here. Good. So from the armpit here. Okay, let's start from the middle. Let's make a point here. Make a point at the chest of the queen.
Is it right here?
Just a point. I did not say you should draw a line. A point. Yeah, just make a point at the middle of the chest of the queen.
Okay.
Just a point at the chest. It's okay, don't shade it, just a point. Point is just a little bit. Then here you curve it out like this. Good. And another one, curve it out to the armpit as well, like this. It's okay if it doesn't touch the armpit exactly. Then from here, let's take it down to form like a heart.
Like a blouse.
Yeah.
Where's this now?
I start from that armpit where the curve here.
Is it here?
Yeah, from there. Curve it down. It's okay. The other one from here as well. Curve it down. Yeah, that's awesome, Mama. Look, and we join here. Join it here like this. Join it together. Good. And then let's form. See. Make the brow. Make the gown. Yeah, make it wide. You have to make it so wide.
Okay.
Like a princess gown. You know how a princess gown is wide?
Yeah, clean.
Very easy.
Clean, yeah.
Okay, get it out the middle. Yeah. Okay, so go ahead. Make it that way, and also this other one. Also the same way. You see? Good. That's fine. Alright. So let's turn the hand of the queen to come to the west. Good. And this other one, make it to come to the west again. Alright, so the queen's hand, you can make it like this.
And inside the dress.
On the dress, is on the dress. Good. Then you can give it some lines to form the fingers. Good. Then this one, you can draw it down a bit. Draw it down more.
Just more. Like this is
More,
enough.
yeah, then you form the finger like this.
It
Just do like this.
It looks
Just like this.
It looks like a crab.
Yeah, it looks like a crab's grip. Okay, then just make two few lines here like this to make a finger. It's okay. That's fine.
A few lines.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey,
So let's
that's
keep going. Alright, so at the base here. Okay, let's still complete this one. Let's form another heart like love here. Okay. And make a love sign here. Good. Oh, all right. That's awesome. That's fine. So what we're going to do next? Let's make this edge to be like a U, as if you are making U. You are writing U. Okay. You make it until you join the other end. Good. Then let's also.
I'll clean your picture.
No, don't clean. Alright, so what I'm going to do is from here, draw it and join the west. From the point, always start from the peak. Yeah, do it gently, try to be nice. Okay, like that, go gently. Okay, awesome. Then let's also make lines like this. Okay. Look at what that is doing. We are joining each point. Good, awesome. Another one. Make another one at the base here, at the middle here. Yeah, come down. Join it. For each line you make a U kind of shape. Wow, Selma is done. Selma is going very well. Oh, this is awesome. Wow,
But
Selma.
why is the princess all not all white?
The queen. The queen is looking fine. Don't worry, we are going to color it.
It's looking bad because it's not half color.
Yeah, it's not looking so fine now because there is no color. Alright, so let's start.
I will tell you which color I want to use first.
Okay, first let's trace it out first.
Yeah, we have to trace it. I'll trace mine quicker than you.
Alright, so now we are going to trace out the shape. We are going to go gently from the top. So make the circle. This is looking fine. This is awesome. Now we've come to the end of this drawing. Wow, friends, I hope you drew along with us.
And
See the-
subscribe to the channel.
here, please subscribe. This is wonderful. This is our queen with a dress of rainbow colors. Wow, it's looking awesome. This is looking awesome. Wow, Summer. Wow, your drawing is so fine. Alright, so what's the first letter of queen?
Q.
Q, good. At the top here, somewhere here, write your letter Q.
A circle and the Q.
Good. So Q for queen. Wow, thank you, friends. Q for queen. Now we've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe and press also the bell so that whenever we post a new video, you get notification. See you in our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.